Hello, how are you all doing? Today's video is going to be the update video for the sticker wall and just things what's been going on. This is in no particular order. I've got the stickers wrote down on a piece of paper in front of me, so you'll have to bear with me and keep looking away from the camera. First up, we've got Dave G Designs. He's a relatively new YouTuber. He's done some pen turning, and a video I really enjoyed watching was he made a letter opener where he turned it on a lathe. It was a really good video. Check out his channel. I'll put all the links in the description down below. Right, next up we've got Stephen's 8x6 workshop. All I can say with this man's video is wow, they're amazing, absolutely fantastic. He does making videos on there and he does animation videos on there. Stop start videos, I think that's the proper name for them. We take a series of photographs and put them all together and it makes a video. If you could win an Oscar for YouTube videos, this man deserves it. The amount of time and effort he puts into making the videos is fantastic. That's all I'm going to say about that. I'll put the links to his channel in the description down below and go and check him out, show him some love. This man really deserves it. One is James Mancave. It's a relatively newish channel. He's not got a lot of videos on his channel. He does tool reviews and making videos. His latest video, he's just made some steps out of decking for fitting on a caravan to help obviously people getting in and out of the caravan. It's a good build, nice to watch. Check out his channel. Next one, Mr. Geoffrey Smith. Proper funny guy, fun to watch, good camera angles and things like that. He's relatively new to YouTube, but one of his latest videos, he made a house from scraps for his best friend John. That's all I'm going to say on that. It was entertaining to watch, and you wouldn't think what he makes is for what it is what he's making. I'll just leave it at that before you all get too confused. Next one is WH Creations. He does making videos as well. He's just made made his own hairpin legs out of steel bar and metal plates. He does wood turning videos and stuff for resin blanks, i.e. pen turning and things like that. And he does the tools what you use on a lathe. So I'll just leave it at that. Go on his channel and check it out. I'll leave all the links in the description down below. Next up, we've got Matt Makes Mess. He's a relatively new YouTuber. He's just made an LED lamp out of scraps for the LED lamp challenge. I think it was on Instagram. What was going about? But like I said, this LED lamp he made was made out of scrap wire and bits of paper and bits and pieces. It was in the shape of a Zeppelin airship. So I'm just going to leave it at that. It was very good, and he won first prize for making that. So I'll put all the links in the description. Go on his channel, check him out. Next up we've got KK Make. In his last video he's just made a keyring which he laser engraved, which was for the YouTube play button on Small Workshop YouTube Makers channel. Like I said, make some really nice things on there. Go on his channel and check him out. The last one, we've got the bearded woodworker, Gary. He's just made a very nice cutting board from scrap wood, which he got from a Goodwill store in America. The board turned out really nice, with a nice contrast of different colours in the wood. Obviously when he oiled it, it really popped the wood. Like I said, good channel to watch, nice and friendly. Go and check him out. I'll put all the links to the YouTube channels in the description down below, and then it's up to you if you go and have a look on the channels. That's all for the sticker shoutouts at the minute. I have got a few more coming in, but it's the weekend of Makers Central. I think everybody's getting ready for that at the minute, and they've put the postage of stickers to one side because a lot of people are going there, and obviously people are handing stickers out there, so they're concentrating on that. that's everything for this update. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up for the video, please give me a thumbs up. There's a little bell icon in the corner. If you press that, it'll alert you to the next time I upload a video. If you'd like to leave a comment in the section down below, please leave a comment. All the links to my channels, my Instagram, Facebook, etc., Twitter, are all in the description down below, or if you go to About on my YouTube channel, you'll find all the buttons there where you can press and it'll take you to them. But apart from that, thank you for joining me. See you again next time.